Hello, I'm Bill Lovallo, Chair of the Belmont Middle and High School Building Committee. I'm here in front of our middle school entrance and showing the progress that's being made. Today is, middle of October, so we are getting close to wrapping up the building enclosure, finishing up the brickwork, getting it tight for the winter. And inside, we will be showing pictures of all the finished work that's going on. The classrooms are starting to take shape, finishes are starting to go on. You see paint in different areas. You see ceilings going in. We've got mechanical systems in place. So we are on time to finish this phase of the project. Around the middle of spring, that doesn't mean middle schoolers are coming, but it's going to allow us to start phasing the project overall to allow the temporary barriers that are put in between the two school components to start to come down and integrate the building so that we can have a finished product by the end of our summer of this coming year, 2023. The middle school portion is approximately 160 to 180,000 square feet of the total project, which is 445,000 square feet. The middle school is 3 stories. The high school behind me is 4 stories. So there's a difference of scale. And the middle schoolers are going to be learning primarily on the 2nd and 3rd floor, 1 level for each grade. And so I took you through the space to show you their team areas, where a class of 350 or so 7th graders is broken down into about 70 to 85, depending on how it's broken down, students that are together learning as a team of 4 classes. So the summer we finished most of the work we couldn't finish in our first opening year. So we finished things in the auditorium. Very happy to say that the orchestra pit is complete. We moved into the cafeteria area where we finished with some of the acoustic panels and sunscreen shades that are now automated on the big glass wall. We then have the main entrance circulation desk that's finished across from the main entrance. In the field house, a tremendous effort this summer to finish that. That includes locker rooms dedicated to the high school. The middle school locker rooms are there, but they're not going to be open this year because we don't have middle schoolers. And then the field house. When you walk in there, you notice the brightness of that space. So a new floor put down, new paint throughout, and new bleachers, new weight room looking down on it, and certainly a new space to cheer on our local teams.